C means Z. Okay. So it's very important question in the interview point of view when we talk about string functions. What is meant by replace function and what is meant by translate function? What is difference between these two? Both are string functions. Replace and translate, both are string functions. But replace is going to replace the entire string. Entire string, it's going to be replaced. Whatever the value we have, means whatever the string you have, in that string, whatever the word you are going to pass, string, that is going to find out wherever that word is there, system is going to replace. It is a string replacement function. It is a string replacement function. The whole string is going to be replaced. For example, if we execute this query, now we can find SQL. We are already converting this function. We are using this upper function to convert into uppercase. And we can see that we are also converting this SQL. So wherever SQL is there, that will be replaced with RTL because we are passing here. Not only the text, you can also go for, pass this number. It's going to be string 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Generally, we think that number means, quotation is not required. Can we go for use like this, for example? Okay, you can also use because it is not a string, right? It's a number. So a single quotation is not required. Directly you can pass. It works. Yeah, it works. That is just replace. So entire string will be replaced. Translate function is also one of the string function, which is used to change the values in the string. But it will work character by character. First parameter, we will find the string, whatever we want to work, whatever the string you wanted to change. The second parameter value will be replaced with the third parameter value. Translate will not replace the entire word. Translate will not replace the entire word. Translation, go ahead with character by character replacement. Here string by string, but here it is character by character. That is the difference. That is the difference. Okay. So O means X, I means Y, C means Z. So that's how it will work. Okay. So whenever we see this output, so starting letter itself O is there. O means it should take X. Then we have here I. Wherever I is there, that will be replaced with Y. So we can find Y. And wherever C is there, it should be replaced with Z. So here we have the C, Z, and here it is D. So now you are able to understand the difference between the replace and translate. Replace will work string by string. It will replace the entire string. So it will go with string by string. Translate will go character by character replacement. Character by character replacement. Both string functions takes the 3 parameters. There is no difference in the parameters point of view. Parameters point of view, that will work. If it is number data type, you can also pass the value like this. And it inside of the string, of course, you can mention this value. Numbers also we can go for. Here it is, 782. Can we work with null values replacement? Yes, we can work with null values replacement also. See, null value is there. Because we mentioned O means X should be replaced. I means null value should be replaced. And C means Z should be replaced. Can we have the null values inside of this particular string, whatever the string? So here it is character by character, right? So can we apply the same thing here also? Can we apply this in replace also? So because it's going by string, right? Yes, obviously it's going to be replaced here. So within the string, you can have the null values. Can we have the entire null value? Here, entire null value in the translation. So see that it's going to replace all these values are entire null value here it is. But if you are going to pass these values, wherever you find, see, I have given O means null value, I means null value, C also null value. So character by character I have replaced. I have mentioned that complete null value we wanted to replace. So then what happened? Entire string has been replaced as a null value. That. How about here? Here also same. In case of replace here. See, this is different. Here, this is different. So this is another important difference between replace and translate. So in the translate, if you go for pass the null value here, what happened? It's going to be replaced with the null. It's going to be replaced with the null value. But when we go for replace, entire string was null here. Now here it takes the string, wherever string is there, only that one is going to be replaced. This is the another difference. So when they ask in the interview point of view, three differences we can say majorly. The first one is both are string functions, replace and translate. Both will take three parameters. And the second one, replace will be used to replace the entire string by string. That is the second one. And translate will go character by character replacement. And if we pass the null value replacement here in replace, it works as it is. Null values will be replaced. Wherever SQL find, system will go for replace the null. How about for translate? It will go for null the entire string. This is another major difference. Okay, so that's how we are supposed to explain the difference between translate and replace. When we are working in the projects regularly, will be using the string functions because it is required. The client wants to hide some information or replace some information dynamically in the reporting point of view in the result, then we'll be using. That's another important question here. Thank you.